Hey, what's up you guys? It's Shane from Learnerpreneur, and in this video you're going to learn how to change your TikTok video volume. TikTok is pretty cool in that it allows you to change the volume of the video and the volume of any added sound. And to do that, all you have to do is open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in, and then go down to the bottom of the screen. On the toolbar, click on the plus sign. Now you can shoot a video right from your phone, or you can upload one by clicking on upload in the right hand corner. I'm going to choose this one just because it's super cool, and then click next. You can trim the video if you are uploading it just by adjusting these red sliders. When you're all set with your adjustment, just click next. And then down at the bottom left-hand corner, you can see where it says Sounds. Click on Sounds. Down at the bottom of this new tab, you can see where it says Volume. Click on Volume. Now you can adjust the original sound of the video by moving this slider to the left and to the right. Right in the middle is 100%. Now if you've added any sound to the video, just use the second toolbar. I have not added any sound to this video, and you can just adjust it in exactly the same way. And that's all you have to do. When you're all set, just go through the normal posting options like you would any other video. I hope this helped you on how to change your TikTok video volume. If it did, smash like, subscribe, and watch this video right here to learn another cool trick with TikTok.